Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today, the market is less volatile and markets traded with a good optimism. And it's only the Bank Nifty which was a little bit volatile, and that too only towards the end of the day. Suddenly, there was a big spike of about 300, 400 point, and then there was a sudden fall of 400 point. Other than that, today's market, I would say it's a very, very stable market. As I mentioned earlier, there are many key things today. Number one, Nifty closed above 22,000 on two trading sessions in January. That was on January 15 and January 16. Then on January 16 evening, HDFC Bank result came. The next day, the Bank Nifty gapped down 1,500 point, closed 2,000 point down. So after that, the Nifty has never closed above 22,000. It tried to move higher than 22,000 during intraday, but on a closing basis, Nifty never closed above 22,000 after the HDFC Bank result. So today is the first day Nifty closed above 22,000 on a closing basis. That is number one positive. Number two, broader markets. Look at the next 50 today hit fresh all-time high. Mid-cap index near 52-week high. I don't know, some of them are all-time high or 52-week high. IT index is at 52-week high. I think auto index is at all-time high. Mahindra and Mahindra, what a rally in just 2 days. Maruti, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, all doing extremely well. So there are so many sectoral indices. Even the Pharma index has hit fresh 52-week high, I think, today. So slowly, one by one, indices are hitting the fresh all-time high. Today, in fact, Nifty, it was just 50, 60 points away from all-time high, but it came under selling pressure slightly towards the end. So markets are looking bullish. US markets are also looking bullish. So Indian markets are also looking bullish. And there is no reason to be bearish. As I told you in the morning, now the market has become buy and dip for market. And nowadays you get only with the kind of support by domestic institutions, no matter how much FIIs are selling. So the intraday fall is maybe shallow, maybe 80, 100 points maximum. So anyway, the people are hoping for time value because with today 3 weeks completed. So for February expiry, we have only 2 more weeks. So looking at the open interest, as I told you already, now once Nifty closes above 22,000, so then we have to shift our base to like upper end of the range from 22,200 to 22,500. So probably for the next 2 weeks, so the Nifty may trade between 21,500 and 22,500. So that is my view. Earlier, my view was that 21,500 to 22,200. The only trouble for our market is the banking stocks. And, I thought like banking stocks will recover today. It has recovered. At some point of time, it went very close to 47,000, but it was sold into. Still, Bank Nifty is very, very far away from its all-time high. I think Bank Nifty all-time high, just now I checked, it is around 48,600. So that's very, very far away. It is the huge underperformance by HDFC Bank. So that has, brought our markets down. At one point of time in US market, I read somewhere, there are about 500 stocks in S&P 500. Nvidia alone contributed for the rally, whereas the remaining 499 stocks did not contribute anything. So like that, in our market, HDFC Bank alone contributing on the negative side. Just imagine HDFC Bank, even today, it is down more than 300 rupees from the its all-time high. But Bank Nifty is just only 100 points. So imagine if HDFC Bank shoots up this 300 point, like Bank Nifty may go, 5,000, 6,000 point higher, and the Nifty can go anywhere. So all is well that ends well. So today markets ended very well. And just now I checked the FII DI data has not come. But I think, FII seems to be having some problem with our market. So they may continue to sell. That is a really scary part, because once they get into the mode of fear of missing, like FOMO, and then when they start buying, the markets can rally to any extent. So anyway, so we will take it as and when it comes. But market becoming bullish, technically become long only if 22,140 is taken out on the higher side. So until then, the market is still not in a bullish mode technically. Right. So India VIX has gone down slightly today, and more and more indices likely to hit a fresh all-time high or fresh 52-week high next week, as the US markets are still looking good. But anyway, so US markets seems to be overbought. That's why it came under severe selling pressure one day, and now again it's moving higher. And today there is some inflation data is due, which will be coming in another 1 hour time. So those markets can react to the headline news. So today, Axis Bank did not react much because it fell as 2% yesterday when the news broke out. Subramaniam Swamy has filed a case in High Court. Reliance did reasonably well, despite the fact that there was an increase in the windfall tax. So overall sentiment is still good. So just keep watching for HDFC Bank. Like in 2 days' time, SBI went up 10%. In 2 days' time, Mahindra and Mahindra went up 10%. In 1 day, Reliance went up 7%. So like this, if any 1 day or 2 day, if HDFC Bank picks up, so that is when, the markets can rally further. So let us hope that happens sometimes in the next week. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. So enjoy your weekend holidays. Thank you for listening.